My name is Michael Kirbach. I work for DMG Mori. I'm based in Germany, taking responsibility for aerospace technology in our company. I was invited today to the VDMA seminar here in Bangalore. I really enjoyed it. We talked about process change and the challenges in the industries. Here at DMG Mori, we have a strategy called machining transformation, and we think that this meets exactly the expectations in the industry. And I hope I was able to inspire the audience, and we had already some very good discussions, and I'm looking forward for further contacts with the audience and with the participants to go deeper into our discussions.
Hello, everybody. I'm very happy today to be here at VDMA organized symposium. Very interesting insights today. The theme here is how can companies go up on their competitiveness in manufacturing and especially machining. I think Bangalore and around also happens to be aerospace hub. That means people talk about difficult to machine materials. And I think it's so interesting that we are hearing today's speakers from different perspectives, but with the same goal. We at Blaser Swisslube, we make coolants. Now there are two interesting aspects of this company. One is it's a chemical product, interesting chemistry and microbiology, which is quite unique. But on the other side, which makes us really interesting, is the impact on the machining performance we bring in through our know-how, expertise, and the formulations. So I think we are very happy to work with customers and pick up projects where we could also help them to contribute and go up in the value chain. So really looking forward for some interesting projects to do it together with you. Thank you very much.